already in our blog also. You can go and refer our blog. So a lot of interview programs I have mentioned here. All interview programs mentioned very clearly here. So set demo I have given here for strings, but maybe anything that new one I have given here. Here I mentioned a generic string type, but you can create a different way also. Now, so the next one I covered, right? Convert so list into set collection, set into list collection. You can do both. So interview programs. So first interview program is, so you can, this is the interview program, one of the interview, remove duplicate elements using list for the given array. You give the input to the array. You have to give the input to this array. And that this method has to return unique list, unique elements with the list. So how can you do that? See, your so array is like this. Your integer array is like this. 4, 5, 2, 4, 1, 4, 6. This is the duplicates you have to remove from this array. If you remove the duplicates, what is the remaining thing? You have to stick in the list collection and then get that. So this is the what you need to do. How can we do that? So let's go and do that. This program. So another important program. So did you understand the program? So what we need to do? So the input you have to give for the for your method an array, integer array. In that array, you remove the duplicates. The unique elements you add to the list collection and return that list collection. Your method has to return the list collection, unique list collection. In the resultant list, unique elements must be there, not duplicates. So that's the interview programs. So take main method. Okay, I'm going to write a method. What type of methods you want? Static or non-static?
Non-static.
Non-static. So let's go and write it. So I have to return a list. So list return type is a list. Say integer type. Return type is list color. Remove duplicate elements using list. You can do different way also. Even you can do with a set collection also. You can, but they are asking specifically with the list because the list contains duplicates, right? But how can we do that? That's what this main intention here. So you have to give integer array. So what is the, so for this you have to give integer array. So take import and so give write a program to return list of integers uniquely are given int array as input to the method. So your integer array can be so anything like this. 2, 4, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, and so on. Like this, you can store the elements. Unique elements you have to store, but not duplicates. See, first is first you have to iterate. You have to iterate all this, right? All this. So first step is what you need to do. You print the array, right? Let's print the array. array elements are. So how can you print the array elements? Arrays class dot toString method you have to use. So that's a num array you pass and it will print the array elements. Second step, create resultant list collection you create list collection. So that is going to return an integer type of objects. So result and result list equal to new array list. So Angular bracket. So this is the one. That's a first step you have to do. So java.util onwards you import. And next step, iterate the array. Array using for loop. How to iterate an array using for loop? For int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. So this several times we used this one, right? Now, if this resultant list doesn't contain this element, doesn't contain the element from the array, add that element to the collection. This if condition you have to write here. So what is the if condition? If the collection doesn't contain, how can you write it doesn't contain?
Not equal to contain.
Not equal to.
Not equal to.
Not contains.
Not contains, right?
Not contains.
So result array result list doesn't contains array element. Array element means the num of I. So this negation you have to add a negation. Doesn't contain this. This list doesn't contain this array element. Then only add that. Now you add the element. Add the unique element to the list. So result list dot add. So num of
Right.
then obviously you will return. So result list. See how simple everything loop and conditions and the methods contains method and add method here is. Okay, so this is the how you can just all methods and basics, the loops, these control structures, right? Everything is control structures. So we are doing, let's call this method and I'll show you. This is the non-static method. How can you call non-static method in the main method?
Create an object.
Create an object for the class.
Yes.
This class. So create an object. This, if you forget, I cannot help you out also. This basic concept, if you forget, nobody will help you. In our classes, we used many times. If you forget, you are so not useful for the coding. I'm telling you frankly, because I used several times this concept. If you want to use a non-static method of any class, first you have to create object for that class. Then you are unfit if you are not remembering this point, because that means you are completely out of focus on Java. This is the one of the basic fundamental topic, how to call static methods, how to call non-static methods. I clearly explain with many examples. And even if anybody doesn't know, please join the other batch. So the same topic is going on there, the methods topic. So that will come. So this week now static methods yesterday I have written, that will go. So get the concept so that you can go anywhere and you can easily answer the questions also. So what is the syntax? Class name, reference of object equal to new class name. So class name is this one, IPOBJ equal to new class name. So IPOBJ, so we are calling a return type methods, right? How to call return type methods? Return type non-static methods. How to call return type non-static methods? What is the formula?
Data type.
Data type
Variable.
variable equal to object reference
Return
dot
type.
return type non-static. So this is the basics I explained very clearly, and this is the syntax you will use n number of times in Selenium. Same syntax. There are so many methods in Selenium that follows this return type methods. They created already. You have to call that. If you want to call, you should know this concept. This I have covered in the methods topic. So data type of this, what is our method data type? What is the method return type? This method return type. What is this method return type?
List
List of integers.
list of integers.
List of integer is our method return type. This is where the problem is. I told you how to find the return type of a method. The keyword that is placed before method name, that is called a return type. Now this method return type is a list integer. It's all basics only, all basics only. That basics are not there, no use also for you attending the classes. Basics only, you have to spend a lot of time. That will give you a lot of confidence to you. But you are completely missing that concept. And OBJ. So if you have basics, you can go anywhere and you can survive. I can give that much guarantee. So I have to declare array. Let me give array. So let's take this array. I don't know, many people missing that basics. So num array. So now we can print. So unique collection is plus L. See now it will print the array also, it will print. First time I'm printing the array. So 2, 4, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. 2, 4 are repeating here. But unique array you are getting, unique collection you are getting here. Duplicates are removed or not? So basically our object is we need to remove the duplicates in the given array. That's what we did. Okay. That's all for the day. And tomorrow we'll cover more array programs, not array.